Good shot of the box here. Brand new memory foam hybrid mattress. Check it out. Oh, there we go. Very heavy. Pretty solid. Just lay it down right here maybe and open up. What would be easiest? Probably here. So as soon as you open that up, it's gonna just suck all the air. Yeah, because it's vacuum sealed, it looks like. So, oh my goodness.
It's getting better.
Already. Would you want like a knife or something for that? Probably could. Here, let me cut on this side because this is easy. Watch for your fingers.
Then I'll rip it.
There you go. You got it. So A+ for the packaging.
It's gonna be better. What's happening?
You just gotta open that up because it's suction. So if you just hold that tight, I'll just run the knife along this. Watch the magic happen.
Ooh, I don't want to stab you there. Oh.
There we go. Let there be life.
Wow. That was actually pretty cool.
Yeah. It's a 10-inch mattress, so pretty amazing that comes out of that small box, really. I got it. Oh, 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 there we go. I can just finish my... I'll just put it down right there. Oh, looks pretty nice. Oh boy.
I'm sleeping already.
You can just sleep right here if you want.
Scandalous.
So is it already is it all the way full? You think all the
Yeah.
get rid of all the
We
air
can
there?
measure it.
Let's see.
My phone.
Ooh. Ooh, it's like I'm on a cloud.
It is
This is
nice.
pretty nice. Yeah, I think I could just go to sleep too. It's got kind of that new smell to it. I'm sure that goes away after a day or two. Very nice.